If you create content online, chances are you have seen AI tools promising to save time, generate ideas, and improve productivity. One of the most popular options right now is Merlin AI, but is it actually worth using for content creation in 2026? In this video, I'll cover what Merlin AI is, its main features, the pros and cons, pricing, and whether it's the best AI tool for creators. And for now, let's get started. What is Merlin AI? Merlin AI is an AI powered assistant designed to help you with writing, research, summarizing, chatting with documents, and generating content directly inside your browser. It works as a browser extension and also has a web app, which makes it convenient for people who work across websites like YouTube, Google Docs, Gmail, LinkedIn, and social media platforms. The tool combines multiple AI models into one platform. So instead of switching between different AI services, you can access them from one dashboard. Main features: AI writing tools. One of Merlin AI's biggest feature is content generation. You can use it for blog posts, YouTube scripts, social media captions, emails, product descriptions, ad copy. The writing quality is generally solid for quick drafts and idea generation. YouTube and website summaries. Merlin AI can summarize YouTube videos, articles, and web pages in seconds. This is useful if you do research regularly and want to save time instead of watching long videos or reading full articles. For creators, this can speed up script research quite a bit. Chat with PDFs and documents. Another useful feature is document chat. You can upload PDFs or files and ask questions about them instead of reading everything manually. This is especially helpful for students, researchers, or creators working with long reports and documents. AI inside your browser. Since Merlin works as a browser extension, you can use AI tools without opening separate tabs. For example, you can reply to emails faster, generate LinkedIn posts, summarize Google searches, create social media content directly on websites. This convenience is one of Merlin's strongest selling points. Pros of Merlin AI: easy to use. The interface is beginner friendly and most features are simple to access. Even if you have never used AI tools before, you can start using Merlin quickly. Saves time. For research, brainstorming, and drafting content, Merlin can significantly reduce workload. Instead of starting from scratch, you get instant ideas and outlines, multiple AI models. Having access to different AI models in one place is useful because some models perform better for writing while others are better for research or coding. Good for everyday productivity. Merlin is not just for creators, it's also useful for students, freelancers, marketers, and remote workers who need fast assistance throughout the day. Cons of Merlin AI: free plan limitations. The free version is fairly limited. You will likely hit usage limits quickly if you create content regularly. AI content still needs editing. Like most AI tools, Merlin isn't perfect. Some outputs can sound repetitive or generic, so you will still need to edit content before publishing. Can become expensive. If you need higher usage limits or premium AI models, the paid plans may feel expensive for casual users, especially when there are free AI alternatives available. Not ideal for deep creative work. Merlin works best for assistance and productivity, but for highly original storytelling or advanced creative projects, human editing is still important. Pricing: Merlin AI offers both free and paid plans. The free version is good for testing the platform, but serious creators will probably need a premium subscription for higher limits and better AI access. Pricing can change over time, so it's always best to check the official website for the latest plans and features. Is Merlin AI the best for content creation? The answer depends on your needs. If you want a fast, convenient AI assistant that works across your browser and helps with research, summaries, and quick content generation, Merlin AI is definitely one of the better options available. But if you need highly advanced long form writing or very specialized creative work, you may still prefer dedicated AI writing platforms. Overall, Merlin AI is best for everyday productivity, research, quick content drafts, browser based AI assistance. It may not completely replace professional writing workflows, but it can absolutely speed them up. Conclusion and final verdict: Merlin AI is a strong all in one AI productivity tool with useful features for creators, students, and professionals. Its biggest strengths are convenience, browser integration, and time saving tools. The biggest downsides are pricing limits and the fact that AI generated content will still requires editing. If your goal is faster workflow and easier content creation, Merlin AI is definitely worth trying. And that is it for this Merlin AI review. If you found this video helpful and useful, please consider like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.